Hi everyone, Kathy here with Diamonds and Coffee. So this is my second painting that I ordered from Diamond Art Club. I thought it was really cute and I love all the colors. So this is called Spotted in Spring by Claudia McKinney. It's a 17 by 13 and it's 42.7 centimeters by 33 centimeters. Super cute. So it's the exact same size as the owl that I unboxed last video. And it is a round. These are all resin drills too. As far as I know, they're resin. This has 54 colors, including 1 Aurora Borealis, 3 fairy dust diamonds, for a total of 18,600 diamonds. So let's check it out. Hope everyone's doing well. I want to thank all my new subscribers too. I need a lot more subscribers. Almost at 200, so that's pretty good. So, I like these boxes, really cute. The sleeve, the ladybug. I love ladybugs. To me, a ladybug is a friendly bug. And they're good for your garden. This just slides right out, super easy. Do what makes you sparkle. I never thought a craft could be so addicting. It is for me. It's relaxing. It's my therapy. Definitely my therapy. So I don't know why this is Amazon, because I did order this off of their actual website, Diamond Art Club website, and has a lifetime warranty. I don't know if I have to register this or what, because I don't know, it tells you all their their socials down here, because I did order it from their website. But anyway, this is the toolkit. It's the same exact as the other one. It has a smaller tray and it has the pen, so I'm not going to open that one. It's the same. Now here is a little envelope that's like all their information. Let's see what card I got this time. Bronze. The last one was a gold. I was so excited. Look how pretty. It's really pretty. And also in this little envelope is your sticker for your book. If you want to save the sticker, it comes off. It's a little sticker. And you can put the date you started and the date that you finished. And then all the pretty colors. You take these off, you put it on your bottles or however you kit up. They come off. So yeah. All right, let's check the canvas out. I think they have the best canvases. They're super soft. They lay flat very quickly. Really soft. It has, let's see. Let me open this first. All right, it goes this way. Look at those rich colors. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So bright and happy colors. I forgot to mention in my last video that these are, they have the perforated lines here. If you could see the gray dots or dashes, that will, if you want to use that like a release paper, That's what that's for. Super sticky. Has a lifetime guarantee right here, and it has all their social on here too if you need to check that out. So there is 54 colors. 54 colors. Look at all these bright, bright colors, guys. I hear so many people say the colors make them happy. It makes me happy too. They're beautiful. I'm not gonna open these ones, I don't think. They're just so pretty. So I think I'm gonna start on my owl one. So right here, it will tell you spotted in spring. So that goes with the kit. So you'll make sure those are the same, so you have the right colors. Gosh, these are so pretty. Really pretty. I love it. Down here, it will show you. I don't know if you could see it, but the Z, the numbers that start with the Z, are for the fairy dust. So there is 3 fairy dust, and then the 1 AB. It's right there, AB, and then the Z's. Really, really pretty. Oh my gosh. I love the size of these too. The size is great. Love it, love it. It's perfect size. It's a little bit bigger than, say, like a 30 by 40, so really nice. Drill field is nice. Love this. I'm going to show you guys just a couple of framed Diamond Art clubs that I have in my house. One's in my bedroom, one's in the office. So I'll be right back. Okay, so this is one that I have in a frame that I think it's called Purple Majesty. It's a Diamond Art club. I got that one off of Amazon last year, and a friend of mine made the frame for me. So that one's in my office. And then I'll show you this one here, my owl. That is a Diamond Art Club. I actually bought this probably like a year and a half ago, maybe, at Joann's. I love that too. So those are the only 2 Diamond Art Clubs that I have, besides the 2 that I just unboxed. This one up here, I also love this one. Sorry for the glare. Let me see if I can. It's a glare. Anyway, I love this one also. It came out really good. That's actually from Amazon. I'm trying to get away from the glare. There. That one's from Amazon. Came out excellent. So those are the 2 that I have in my room. And then the other one, oh wait, let me show you another one. Don't mind my messy house. This one here, that's from Temu. I think it's Temu, or maybe it was Amazon. And then this one here that I just finished last week. And that one is a Dreamer Design. And then back to this one. So that's it. And then I have maybe one in my living room, no, my dining room. And then I have one in my coffee bar. Those are different ones from Temu, I think. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Leave me a comment. I really enjoy the comments. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye for now.